Hello everyone. Today I am sharing my experience regarding the project we have worked on the MERN stack, which has been mentored by WebStack Academy. I am Yashas, who is going to share the experience I have got from this internship. First, as the contents and agenda says, there are 7 properties which we are going to discuss. The first is introduction, where I am going to introduce myself briefly, then the overview, goals of internship, full stack development, MERN stack about the internship project, and finally the conclusion. So let's speak about myself. I am Yashas and I am thrilled to be here today to introduce myself. I am a computer science student at the University BDT College of Engineering, Davanagere, Karnataka. I am excited to be a part of this internship program and learn more about the latest technologies in the field of web development. Welcome you all. So, at the overview, we must analyze what do you mean by full stack development. So, the full stack development is a rapidly growing field in the world of technology. It involves working on both the front end and back end of web applications, making it a highly sought after skill set in the industry. A full stack developer must have a deep understanding of various technologies and programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and MongoDB. We have used all these in our internship. So let's discuss what are the goals of this internship we have done. The goals of this internship are to provide us with hands-on experience in full stack development and to help us develop a strong foundation in MERN stack technologies. Throughout the program, we worked on a real-world project that will challenge us and push us to grow as a developer. So, what is full stack development then? Full stack development refers to the development of both front end and back end portions of a web application. It involves working with multiple technologies and frameworks and requires a diverse skill set. A full stack developer is responsible for designing and implementing the entire web application from the user interface to the database architecture. They must be proficient in programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and have knowledge of databases, servers, and APIs. Here at the right side, you can see the image where we have worked. We have to work on various implementations like Node.js, Scala, Python, Bootstrap, PHP for backend, and Ruby, jQuery, VBScript, React.js, AngularJS, and JavaScript, such frameworks with help of HTML and CSS. So let's discuss what are the key skills of full stack developers. First, the full stack developers are required to have a wide range of skills in order to build and maintain complex web applications. They need to be proficient in both front end, back end development, along with excellent communication and collaboration abilities. Now, let's have a brief knowledge about what do we mean by MERN stack. You all know what does MERN refers to. MERN stack is a popular web development technology stack that consists of 4 main components, where the M refers to MongoDB, which is the database. Then E refers for express.js, R refers to React, and N refers to node.js. In order to have a full stack web development, we need all these technologies have been implemented in our project to give the desired output. So let's discuss what is the architecture and design of the application. The architecture and design of a software application are critical components that determine its success. A well-designed application is easy to use, maintain, and scale. Here you can see how the architecture has been designed. First, in the React.js, we use the HTML and CSS for writing the code in order to design the front end, whereas the JavaScript has been implemented to write the React hooks or the React use effect concepts in order to get the backend. So this React.js is going to communicate with the Express web framework, where parallelly the Mongoose Node.js web server is also going to be parallelly interactive with the front-end development. So what all these have been interacted will be stored in the MongoDB. That is, the user giving the input from the front end have been interacted through the backend development and deployed in the database management. Whereas whenever the user asks for something, the database is going to give the desired output the user required. Now let's discuss about the components like database such as MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that allows for flexible and scalable data storage. Unlike traditional relational databases, Mongo database stores data in JSON-like documents with dynamic schemas, making it easier to work with unstructured data. So then, next, the Express. Express is a fast, unappointed, minimalist web framework for Node.js. It provides a robust set of features for building single page, multi page, and hybrid web applications. Next, we are going to discuss about the React. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It was created by Facebook and is now maintained by a community of developers. React allows developers to build reusable UI components that can be used across an entire application. Next, we are discussing regarding the Node. The Node.js is an open source closed platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside of a web browser. It allows developers to build scalable network applications using JavaScript on the server side. So, at the end of the part, we are going to discuss about the internship project we have designed. The internship project is a challenging and exciting opportunity for aspiring developers to gain hands-on experience in full stack development. Over the course of the program, we worked on a real-world project, that is, a food delivery application. For example, we can say it a Swiggy clone using cutting-edge technologies such as MERN stack. The project will involve designing and implementing a web application from scratch, providing us with a comprehensive understanding of the software development process. Now I am going to deal with the implementation and functionalities of this project we have implemented. First, displaying the restaurants on the home page. Next, we are going to search the restaurant of our requirement. Then we are going to discuss about each restaurant has a distinct menu. Then can log in a create an account. Forgot password, a new password option is available. Then it has a card that stores items we ordered can process as payment. Then we can view orders and also can see the profile and update it. Next, I'm going to discuss the technologies we have used. That is MongoDB. First, a popular NoSQL database that provides high scalability and flexibility. Then the Node.js, an open source server environment that allows developers to run JavaScript to the server side. Then the Express, a fast and minimalist web framework for Node.js that simplifies the process of building web applications. Then the React, a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Then the Mail Trap, a website to send mail and receive mail. Then the Stripe to process payments. So, at last, not the least, we have come to the conclusion. I had a highly enjoyable and productive internship experience which provided me with a valuable learning curve. I gained a comprehensive overview of full stack development through my work on the food delivery application project. This internship was a great opportunity for me to learn and grow as a developer. I am grateful for the opportunity to have participated in this program, and I am excited to apply the skills and knowledge I have gained to my future career. So, thank you, WebStack Academy, for mentoring these days and giving us an excellent knowledge regarding the MERN stack. So, we are going to use it in our future endeavors. Thank you once again. So, now I'm going to explain the project which we have designed based on MERN stack technology. Now, what you are seeing is the front end of the food delivery website. So here you can see there are pop-ups of 4 to 8 restaurants having different dishes on their compartments. So by these containers, they are going to attract the customers they require. Now I will operate the website as the requirement. First I will log in the page. Here it is asking for email ID and password. As I am a new user, I am going to click on the new user. Here I am giving my name, Yashas 1. Then email ID, Yashas 1 at gmail.com. Then I am going to give the password as 123456 and confirming the password. Then I am going to give my number. Then I am going to choose the avatar which I require. Okay, everything is working fine. I'm going to register now. Okay, the user has been registered successfully. Now you can see here the when we click on the login profile, it is showing orders profile logo and my name as it is. So in this front end page, as I have said earlier, we can search for the food items through this search bar. I will search for the restaurant first. Okay, so I have searched a cafe. So cafe coffee day the square is the only restaurant which will be sorted for this search keyword. Then we have options like based on the pure veg or non-veg, then the based on the highest reviews and the ratings also. Now I will click on pure veg. So these are the only two restaurants who are serving us through a veg dishes. Then I will click on sort by reviews. Yeah, here, okay, here in this, you can observe here, this is having 4.5 rating and this is 4 rating, this is 2.5 rating, and when I click on sort by reviews, it will be get sorted so that the highest reviews will be popped up first and the lowest review will be popped up last. Then I also sort by ratings. Based on the ratings, see here you can observe 78 reviews, 46 reviews. So based on the reviews also, ratings also, we are going to get the sorting list. Now we want to order something. I will go for Mani's Dum Biryani, and here I will order one chicken barbecue. It has been added to cart, and I will go for beverages and I will order one cold coffee and also one Oreo milkshake and 2 7-Ups. Okay. After adding all these items, I will go for the cart to get my final order. Here, there are so many options regarding the items. Here we can lesser the product and increase the product, and also we can delete the product. I will delete this 7-Up, I don't need it. Okay, it has been exhausted. So Here you can observe the chicken barbecue is pricing around for two items it will be around 618 rupees. Then for each cold coffee it's 80, then it's 160, and for Oreo milkshake it will be 360. For total it is going to bill 1138. Now I am going to check out there. Click on checkout. So here we have to give the delivery address for the food has to be delivered. I will give it city. Okay, I will choose my country. Okay, these are the details which has to be posted in delivery address and press on continue. So here there is a brief information regarding what we have ordered and its final rate and its order summary. Here it is popping up my name, phone number, address, and the products I have added to the cart. Here you can observe the each item's price also has been displayed. So after checking that the order summary is correct, we are going to click on proceed to payments. Okay. In proceed to payments, here we have opted for the card system. The card may be Visa, or it may be international or debit card, credit card, anything it may be. So I am getting the card number as and giving the month and expiry and CVV. Here you can observe the total payment is rupees 1194. It is also added with the delivery charges, so it is 1194. I will click on the payment button. So it is redirecting to the Stripe and your order has been placed successful. Then we shall click on go to orders and check what we have ordered and what is its status. So here it is giving the restaurant name as Mani's Dum Biryani and ordered items is signature BBQ and so many things, and number of items is 3 and it is showing the status as processing. Then I will click on the actions. When we click on the actions, it will give us the delivery information about the status of the payment and the order status, whether it is processing or not. Then we shall go for orders and press the profile. So here there is an option to update my profile. I will press on the edit profile and I will give the Yashas1 as Yashas12 and email address will be same and I will browse the avatar. Okay, it has been decided to choose the avatar and I will update it. Only my name is going to update it and also avatar. You can see here my avatar as well as my name is updated. Then when I come to home screen, next we have to check for logout and it is showing logged out successfully. Now we shall check whether we have got the forgot password is working correctly or not. So we shall click on forgot password and enter the email which we have given for logging in the details. So this was the email ID which I have been given at the last time for entering into the website. Now I will send the mail. After sending the mail, we have to click on the mail strap. In mail strap, here it will fetch the details for my email ID, and there will be a reset link for our password. Just we shall click it on reset your password. Here it will be directly linked to attain the new password. I will give the password as 145236 and 145236. Okay, set password. Okay, at the last time I have given 123456, but now I have given 145236. Then I will email log in it. Okay, password. Okay, click on login. Yeah, it has logged in for Yashas 12 successfully. So this is all about what we have learned from the MERN stack technology. So uh, and also we have left with the Stripe payments, whether we have done it successfully or not. You can check there. I have ordered the items for food app. Here you can observe the amount is 1194.9 rupees. We shall check whether the payment has been processed or not. After refreshing the Stripe, we will get the amount which will be processed. Yeah, you can observe here. It has the payment has been succeeded for rupees 1149. Payment has been succeeded through this card number, and it has also recorded the date and time and the customer name as well. So this is what our project has been working, and we have tried our level best to excel in this project, and we have learned so many technologies like regarding the MongoDB, Express.js and Node.js, and also the designing of the front end. So I thank my regards to the WebStack Academy for providing us an excellent opportunity in order to excel ourselves in the professional world. So thank you WebStack Academy for giving this opportunity. Thank you once again.